Hi, welcome to Showfloor. We're excited to show you how to use the platform to meet hiring managers and team members so you can learn about employment opportunities. Let's get started. If you have access to a computer with a camera, we recommend joining from a laptop or desktop computer. The Showfloor platform has the best experience on the Chrome browser. If you will be using a mobile device, on Android, please use the Chrome browser, and on Apple, please use Safari. You will have received a link to the event by email. When the event starts, log in. You'll start on the reception page. Depending on the event, the reception page might have a welcome message, a video, schedule, and links. Look through the information provided. Once you've reviewed the information on the reception page, let's make sure your profile is complete so you're putting your best foot forward when speaking with the employer. Go to the menu and select My Profile. Here, you will find all the questions and information you can fill out for the event. The information you can include in your profile changes from one event to another. So even if you've attended events on the Showfloor platform before, it's a good idea to see what information you can add so your profile is as complete as possible. The employer reps will be able to see your profile information displayed when they're speaking with you. Once you're happy with your information, click Save. Let's go meet the hiring team. Talent recruitment events are all about connecting with the employer and discovering opportunities. You should try to have conversations with multiple people so you can discover different opportunities and learn about the company culture. Let's select a booth and have a conversation. When you enter a booth, you will see if there are employer team members available for conversation. The booth might have information about the department or role which you can explore before speaking with the employer. If there is information available to review, use the up and down arrows to look through the content so you are well informed before chatting with the employer. Let's start a conversation. To meet the employer, click on Talk to Rep. The employer might be hosting a group session where multiple people can join the conversation at once, or one-on-one chats, where you'll be able to speak with a representative from the organization in one-on-one conversation. If an employer is already in a one-on-one chat with someone else, you can join their queue to speak with them as soon as they're available. Your position in the queue will be displayed. If you see another employer rep with a shorter queue, you can switch to their queue. Get ready to impress, it's your turn next. Some booths will host group sessions for a role-specific or department-specific Q&A. If the employer is hosting a group session, you will be able to see and hear the employer when you join the session. You can interact with them and any other attendees in that group session in the chat. This is your opportunity to ask questions and see what other prospective candidates are asking about the company and role. If you want to join the employer on video, you can request to speak. When the employer accepts your request, everyone else who is in the group session will be able to see and hear you while you speak with the employer. When you're finished with the conversation, you can use Leave Chat to return to the information about the department or role, and then go back to the list of the other booths. We encourage you to explore multiple booths and have as many conversations as you can, because you never know what opportunities you might find. If you have any questions before, during, or after the event, the Showfloor team is here to help. You can contact us using live chat on the showfloor.co website or by email at support@showfloor.co. Have a great time!